Hello, JavaScripters. Bruce here, back with another video on doing creative things with JavaScript, okay? Look at line 13 for a second. Remember our friend Apple there? Okay? Well, check it out. Now we have an object literal, okay? Starting here and going all the way down to here, right, is our object. And you'll note that we have properties, keys, right, and values, okay, separated by commas. Okay, go back to the video on the first video on objects, and you'll note what you're seeing here. You'll remember what you're seeing here. Color and then red, and then this get info as a property, and then an anonymous function as the value for that property. Okay. So now you can say, hey, apple.color equals reddish. Okay, so you can set the property to that, and then you can say alert, and then you can call the object and its getInfo method. Okay, do you see that there? Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So let's just run it. Let me just save it, open in a browser. And there we have it. We have the same thing we were getting before. Okay. Now let's try one thing here. Okay. Let's say that var apple2 equals new apple. Okay. And let's just pass in here the type. Whoa, wait a second. How do we now, using this object literal, right, that you see on line 13, how do we create another apple, right? We were dealing with functions last time that happened to be something we used a new keyword to create new apple objects, okay? So this is what we call a singleton pattern, okay? Hence the comment on line 11. So you're not able to do to use it the way we were using it in prior videos on the apples, okay? However, we created an object called apple. It had a type of Macintosh, a color of red, okay? And then we were able to change the properties right here, okay? Color on line 21 to reddish, and we were able to call a method that it had. And if we wanted to add, a second method, maybe called eatApple, okay? Function, and then an anonymous function here, and just console.log. I'm eating the apple, okay? I'm eating the apple. And a semicolon, and if we then called apple dot, okay, eat apple, open close parenthesis, let's see what happens. Let's run this. So we'll get the alert. Oop, I think we have an error, which is good. Yes, we do. It says unexpected identifier on line 19. Okay? Eat apple. So what did I do wrong here? Oh, I forgot to put a comma here on line 18. Okay? Because the property and values in an object need to be separated by commas. So I'm glad that happened. Okay, let me refresh. There is our alert. And if we go to the console, there I'm eating the apple. So that additional method that we created got called. Okay? I hope you've enjoyed this short series on objects and classes and such. I have some more videos coming that are going to take this in a little different direction, expanding on anonymous functions and objects.